Oh man, the mountains call my number one. I'm just a life-size lottery ticket in the hand of the one. The stress